Hello everyone. This video clip will show how to add multiple Omron NA HMIs to communicate to an Omron machine automation controllers and X series PLC. This configuration will provide the capability to monitor and operate a machine or process not only locally but also remotely. I'm Tom Trinh, Application Engineer for Valin Corporation. Let's get started. So here's my hardware layout. I have a NX102-9000 CPU, and it has an IP address of 192.168.50.1. I have a power supply to power the PLC as well as these HMI. Now from my Ethernet port of the NX102-9000, I'm connected to the Ethernet switch W4S1, and I also have these three NA HMI connected to the switch, and the IP address for these HMIs are 192.168.250.4, 192.168.250.3, and 192.168.250.2. So first thing first, you will insert the first NA HMI and create a project and give it the IP address for 192.168.250.4. By default, the NA device name would be HMI_NA5_0. Once that is created, and at this point, you want to export your existing HMI project. So how do we do that? We want to right mouse click on the NA HMI icon and select export. And then the next screen, it will have the HMI_NA5_.edh. And you want to select that, and then when it's done, the export has successfully completed window will show up. So you click OK here, okay? At this point, you want to rename your existing HMI project because your existing HMI project has HMI_NA5_0. So you want to rename it to an HMI_NA5_3. At this point, you are ready to insert a second NA HMI. So how do we do that? We want to click on Insert menu and then select HMI and select NA5. And at this point, you select the model of your HMI that you want to insert. And when you finish, the new second HMI project name will have the name HMI_NA5_0. At this point, you want to import the existing project that you had exported earlier. So to do that, you would select HMI_NA50, right mouse click on it, and then select import. Select the file with extension EDH and then click open. You will have a warning window pop up. Click yes on that and select yes on synchronization pop up. And at this point, if everything goes smoothly, you will get a window say import has successfully completed. At this point, because your project has been imported correctly, what you want to do is you want to enter the IP address for this second HMI. So to do that, you would select HMI_NA5_0, select configuration setup, HMI setting, TCP IP, and this is where you would change the IP address for the HMI. In this case, it will be 192.168.250.3. Then the next thing you want to do is to link that second HMI project to the controller. So to do that, you would select configuration and setup, and then select device references, select internal devices, and then where you will notice there's a red X. So you want to open that and then select link to internal device. And that basically will finish the import for the second HMI. What you need to do next is basically rename that second HMI from HMI_NA5_0 to HMI_NA5_2. So now you finish and have 2 HMI in your project. The next thing you want to do is insert a third NA HMI. So to do that, once again, insert the NA HMI into your controller project. By default name, again, it will be HMI underscore NA5 underscore 0. What you want to do then is select the HMI underscore HMI 5 underscore 0 and right click on it, select import, and then from the import solution window, select the file and click open. Again, the warning will pop up, say yes on that, and then the synchronization pop-up window will show up, click yes on that, and then when everything is imported correctly, at this point it will say import has successfully completed window, so click OK on that. At this point, what you want to do is to enter the correct IP address for the third screen. All right, so what you want to do is select HMI underscore NA5 underscore 0, configuration and setup, HMI setting, TCP IP, and type in the new IP address for the third screen. In this case, it is 192.168.250.2. You need to link the third NA HMI project to the controller. So to do that, you select configuration, the setup, and then device references, internal devices, and then select the regex, open that setting, and then select link to internal device. And that will complete the import for the third HMI. We name the third HMI name. So right mouse click on the NA HMI icon and we name it from HMI underscore NA5 underscore 0 to HMI underscore NA5 underscore 1. So that is the process how to add multiple Omron NA HMIs to communicate to an Omron machine automation controller and X series PLC. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.